Hi, asawa ko. Nak, isa ka ng ganap na Mrs. Alumia. 3 taon. 3 taon ako nag-happy birthday na walang palya bago mo ako nireplyan.
Nanalo sa loto, nanalo sa loto.
Doon sa yung hinanate, parang mukhang nanalong loto. Parang ngayon kasi si Harold yung nanalo ng loto. Nakuha na po ba to? Nakuha na.
Not gonna step back now. Flying higher,
Because supportive talaga po.
reach the clouds. I'll be the friend that is standing there. I'll be the hand holding all your prayers. I see you now, I'm not going anywhere. We'll find our way back home. We'll find our way back home. No, we'll never have to walk alone.
Oh, get something. 1, 2, 3, 4. I made a covenant with God, hindi lang sa simbahan, kundi sa Panginoon, na habang nabubuhay ako, ibibigay ko sa Kanya yung lahat. Maging masaya lang siya.
So today, my heart is full of joy because in a little while, you will finally be my husband. 7 years in a long-distance relationship is not easy. Alam mo yan. Marami tayong away, tampuhan, at tanong na what if? Pero sa huli, pinili pa din natin manatili at mahalin ang isa't isa.
And I'm so happy and grateful at the same time kasi you answered yes when I proposed last December 2023. It was the best and magical night na hindi ko malilimutan. Masaya, nakakagalak, sa pakiramdam na yung taong gusto mong makasama habang buhay ay tinatanggap ka bilang maging kabiyak sa lahat ng hamon ng buhay.
Huwag kang iiyak. Pogi naman. Pigilan mo, wala pa nga sa simbahan. Uy.
I love you.
I love you with all my heart till death do us apart, and I can't wait to say I do. Love you, babe. Why do you love me, babe? Yan ang palagi mong tanong sa akin sa tuwing nagpapalambing ka. Madalas naiinis ka dahil kalokohan yung mga sagot ko. Walang kakwenta-kwenta, ganun. Hindi ako kasing vocal at cheesy mo. But to answer it, I love you because you are respectful, just as you respect your parents and mine.
When you've lost your way,
You give yourself a week
the
after
first time
Yes,
your
I'm
heart breaks, I'll pick up the pieces and put them back together.
Malakas at sweet. At saan ipapasuot ang singsing? Sa left, no? Bakit? Para hindi kayo mangaliwa. Kundi always right. Okay? So, mauuna ka, Mr. Principal, tapos si teacher, no?
Fall and every rise, every wrong and every right. I'll be
Alam ko na ikaw ay magiging mabuting asawa at ama, kaya marrying you is the best decision in my life. I am forever grateful for your life, babe. I promise that I will be faithful as you are. I promise to be on your side in happiness and in sorrow. I promise to be your palagi. Palaging iintindihin at mamahalin ka.
I'll be by your side and walk you down into your forever. I'll be there for you. Every fall and every rise, every wrong and every right. I'll be there for you. When the time finally comes,
Ilalaan ko ang aking buhay para masigurado mong pinahalagan kita at minamahal kita higit pa sa iyong inaakala. Ito ang pangako ko sa iyo at sa Panginoon ngayon, bukas at kailanman. Nagmamahal, Harold Dings R. Alumia. Love you.
I am looking forward sa ating journey as husband and wife at sa bubuuin nating pamilya. Alam ko hindi maging madali, but with love, patience, and understanding, we can overcome anything.